This is a brand new 2013 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, hill start assist, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, 18-inch alloy wheels, a power rear lift tailgate, the AcuraLink satellite communication system with real-time traffic and real-time weather, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Thank you for considering Greenwich Acura for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We are the tri-state area's only Precision Team Elite dealer. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in Greenwich, Connecticut at 343 West Putnam Avenue, just minutes from the Connecticut Turnpike. We look forward to serving you.